Track 9.
Unit 15, 15.1, Exercise 2.
Situated in the northwestern part of Arizona, the Grand Canyon is one of the natural wonders of the world. Contrary to popular belief, the Grand Canyon is not the longest, deepest, or widest canyon in the world, but it is accessible, and with little vegetation to hide it, it feels big. Nothing prepares you for that first sight of it. From the top, it drops 1.6 kilometers to the desert floor below. But however vast it seems, it is not big enough to support the millions of people who visit it every year. When one section of the Grand Canyon was declared a national park in 1919, 3 years after the creation of the National Park Service, visitor numbers were 44,000. Today, with 5 million visitors a year, the Park Service is finding it difficult to keep the canyon accessible to the public and to safeguard it for future generations. The pressures on the Grand Canyon National Park forced the Park Service to draw up a management plan. One of the first problems it tackled was that of the large number of visitors' cars which needed parking space. The Park Service got around the problem by allowing visitors to take advantage of free buses, which take them on a number of routes around the park. Some of the other problems faced by the park are the result of things happening outside its boundaries. Take air pollution. On summer days when there are southwesterly winds, the pollution blown in from Southern California can restrict the views over the canyon. Then, another of the big problems is the availability of water resources in the park, as at present there is a drought. The park cannot draw water from the river, but only from a spring on the north side of the canyon using a pipeline. If this pipeline is damaged, then water has to be brought in by truck. This last happened in 1995 when floods caused a landslide, which destroyed the pipeline. The Colorado River, which created the canyon, looks wild, but in fact is managed intensely. 24 kilometers upstream is the Glen Canyon Dam, which has had a profound impact on the river. Now the river flow is about 1/10 of what it was previously. The Colorado used to reach temperatures of 24 degrees in summer. Today, it is a cold 7 degrees all year as water release comes from deep within the reservoir. In addition, the rapids are getting bigger as the river is too weak to move the boulders washed out of the canyons downstream. As a result of both these problems, some species of fish have become extinct. Visitors are proving to be powerful allies of the park. Those who once thought that the Grand Canyon was just an awesome hole in the ground soon learn that however big it is, its popularity is in danger of destroying the very qualities that made it one of the 7 natural wonders in the world.